Welcome to another food review video. This is a barbecue and catering business. This one is all about Smokin Mike's Meat at 5646 Price Road in Gainesville, Georgia. I had the spare ribs, excellent, nice, soft, and juicy. The Brunswick stew, oh my God, off the chain. And then you have your seafood, the taco, oh my God. They also have different kinds of taco. You could get your meat taco. Now the tacos, oh my God, they are so good. You have to order them ahead of time. That's how good they are. Thumbs up to your whole entire menu. And I'll see you again. Check this video out.
Get out of the smoker, sir.
Okay, Gainesville. You have a hidden secret.
How you doing?
And it's called Mike's Meat.
Smokin Mike's Meat.
Smokin Mike's Meat. And your name is Mike?
Yes, sir.
That's Mike right there, folks. Look at this. People, look at this smoker. Oh my God. Woo-wee. Now, isn't that pretty? This is the hours. And this is a food truck. Also, they cater. Hello. They do catering. And I'm going to get a card from him, and I'm going to put all the information on the card.
We're also doing some tacos in there special right now. If you want to try up that shrimp taco, that one's you.
Look at that. Look at that, folks.
Yeah,
Shrimp taco
for you.
Ooh, look how pretty that looks. I'm going to show you everything. And I'm going to also get their card. Here's their menu. And I'm going to have the address and everything on the card. And they also have merchandise. They have t-shirts. Nice price. And the name. This is the name. Smokin Mike's Meat. Barbecue and Catering. And that's the man right there.
How y'all doing? Hope to see you on out here on Price Road. We got you all your specialty size, cobblers, all our homemade everything. It's mac and cheese, twice baked potato casserole, baked beans. Our Brunswick stew is fire. I'll tell you that right now.
There you go. We're also gonna have all the information.
That Brunswick stew in the hole there.
Oh my God!
Chunky,
look at
ton
that.
of brisket up in there, chicken, smoked pork. A lot of chilies, a lot of kick to that pot right there if you like it spicy.
That's what I'm talking about.
Excellent.
And folks, you know I like spice. And I'm gonna have all the information in the description. So I want you guys to come on down and check them out.
Hey, come on here and go look at that.
The smoker. Okay, this is Smokin Mike's Meats. Okay, this is the rack of ribs. You got the whole barbecue chicken. This is the Brunswick stew. And this is your shrimp taco. You have all your barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna let you guys know. Alright, here we go. I cut pieces of the chicken off. Got some barbecue sauce. Chicken is nice and juicy. Good flavor. Now this is for the ribs now. Try the ribs. I put some sauce on there. The ribs look nice and tender. real good. This is real good. Ribs is real good. Now, this is the shrimp taco. Yes, I recommend that shrimp taco. Shrimp taco is real good. Now, this is the Brunswick stew. Nice chunks of meat. Got your vegetables. It's looking good. Whoa. This stew is excellent. Has a nice little kick to it. Whoa. Love the stew. That stew is so good. And this is the name. Smokin Mike's Meats. BBQ and Catering. So come on down, go check them out. When you go there, ask for the stew. That's the Brunswick stew and the taco, shrimp taco. Oh my God. Smokin Mike, thumbs up. Loving your food. Folks, until next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.